Hello, today I'm gonna cook a sage and onion chicken today for Sunday roast. But first of all, you gotta stuff your bird with sage and onion. So I'm just gonna, this one's a bit feisty to be honest, bit of a feisty bird. Anyway, you gotta make sure you stuff your bird with sage and onion. That's good. Alright, bear me. So it's better a bit feisty. Right, bear me. Right, a minute. Right, I need to think this one. Right. Next, what I want to try and do is get the chicken. It's a pain, yeah, so get it in there. What I want to do is basic in a minute, once I get the thing, I'll get it in there. You want to try and stuff your stuff in the bird, so it stays still long enough. And we'll get put the grip. I'll get a grip on it. Alright. Yeah, so you want to try and get your sage and onion in the bird. Oh god. Yeah, so basically you want to get your sage in. So just get your sage and onion in there. Yeah, you want to get all that flavour in there. Make sure you get all that good flavour going on. No, I mean it's falling outside the chicken. No balls gone there. Some. Let's come out outside. And then the next one. Yeah, so what you want to do is so what I might have to do actually is put bear with me, I've got to try and get that on that side of it. Try and stuff it. Try and stuff the bird in it and get the flavour going. You want all the flavour in your bird. Once you get all that flavour in there, it should taste good. You end up with a nice sage and onion bird when you finish with it, and you get your flavour going. Get your flavour pack, your flavour going. Get more sage and onion. sage and onion flavoured chicken. Now once that's done, I'm going to turn your bird over. So, and what you've got to do, this one's a bit of a hairy bird, so I might have to give it a slight trim. This one's got a bit of hair on it. You need to just trim off that. Give it a little bit of a trim there. Yeah, it's a bit hairy, this one. It's a bit of a hairy chicken compared to other ones. It's got to cut off the excess hair. We don't want the hairy birds going in them. Got a bit of hairy armpits on there, so we don't know why. Hairy armpits. So you've got to make sure your bird isn't hairy. Oh, that looks like because I had a shave. Not sure. Yeah, I think that's right. Right. We'll add a bit of flavour to it. The other thing you can do as well, see now you've got the sage and onion going on. The other thing you can do for a little bit of flavour to really spice up your bird is to put a bit of jerk seasoning on there to really give it a good old flavour going on. I'll actually put a bit of this on. You only need a little bit, and you've got to rub a little bit into your bird. Make sure get a bit of flavour, and you end up with a nice jerk seasoning bird. There's a lovely flavour going on. And you've got to make sure your bird gets good suntan. Make sure it's got good flavour going on there. And we're going to really pack up the flavour. So it's going to be nice jerk seasoning. Enough to make sure you get the flavours going on. Oh, don't forget to do its butt because it needs a bit of MOT on there just to give it a little bit of flavour going. And then pat your bird. Make sure you get your flavour going on that bird, and then we'll get good flavour. And we'll make sure you get good seasoning there to give it a good hold. That'll be a flavour, but get more seasoning there. Give it a bit of spice on it. Now, right now I can see my bird. I can see my bird looks quite good now. I see my bird has good seasoning going on. Now it's the jerk chicken and sage and onion bird, which is going to go in the oven for about around an hour 40 odd minutes really, till it's golden brown and smells delicious. So that's my Sunday bird. Now I'll just chuck it in the oven and hope for the best really. Give it about an hour or so and then the bird should be nice and crisp with a nice good flavour going on later on.